the devastating rains and flooding and the devastation of the constituency 2 or 3 weeks ago, and the continuous hardship of our people in Bog Hole, Banners River, Anion Town, Arteseat, Mesa River, Johns Vale, Trout Hall, and several areas of the constituency. We are an agricultural constituency, and the agricultural base has been severely impacted. I am calling on the authorities, I'm calling on the ministers, the government, to move speedily to see what we can do to resuscitate the people of northern and northwestern Clarendon. We were the most badly affected. The other thing I would like to talk about is the Mesa River Kellits Bullet water supply, which we started in 2014. We got the water out of the Bullet Mountain, large volumes of water that would serve the entire area of Sandy River, Rodenall, Mesa River, that has no water for years. Never had, just what you call sinkholes. And I'm afraid, but it's a pity that from February 25th, 2016, the project has been at a standstill. Nothing has happened. I have appealed to the NWC. It's the largest investment that has ever been made in the constituency of Northern Clarendon. And it has been at a standstill from the elections have been over. Not one more pipeline has been laid. And I'm calling on the the Kellits last year, the minister announced the Kellits Mesa River water supply. It is at a standstill. And I just stop. No. Announced it in his budget debate last year, but nothing has happened so far. And my last comment, 3 things, is my sympathy to Mr. Brown, who lost his 22-year-old son in Johns Vale, the only death in Clarendon caused by the flooding. And I'm asking the Ministry of Labour and Social Security, this is a very, very poor farming family, to assist with the burial of Humphrey Brown. The road, Prime Minister has travelled this road a couple of times from Maypen to K Valley, was to be upgraded. We took a decision while we were in office and did the part leading from the Speaker's constituency, Soursop turn to Chapelton. Lovely highway, beautiful. But from Maypen up to Soursop turn, and from Chapelton into James Hill, Trout Hall, James Hill, K Valley, I'm saying, Prime Minister, as the Minister of Works, just give us surface. Don't bother with the big expenditure of widening for now. We will widen it when we return to office. We will widen it. Prime Minister, you have been on the road. You have been on the road. Let us deal with the surface now from Soursop turn, Maypen. Just deal with the surface. It's horrible. Into K Valley, so that the people can move to it. It is a major thoroughfare from Maypen for the people of Clarendon to go to the North Coast. It was a project that has been there, and we started it.